The edible malware. You aren't eating food, you are downloading malware that hijacks your brain's hunger and satiety signals. In the modern supermarket, 70% of what you see is not actually food in the anthropological sense. It is an industrial formulation. These ultra-processed foods, UPFs, are engineered in laboratories to bypass 2 million years of evolutionary defenses. They use what food scientists call the Bliss point, the precise mathematical ratio of salt, sugar, and fat that triggers a massive dopamine surge in your brain. This is a high-tech hijacking of your survival instincts. Your brain is hardwired to crave these three things because they were rare in nature. Now, the industry has weaponized that craving, turning your own biology against you to ensure you never feel full. We have entered a dangerous era of industrial illusion. When you eat a snack cake or a bowl of instant noodles, you are consuming a chemical matrix designed to look, smell, and taste like nourishment. But it is a nutritional void. These products are constructed from deconstructed ingredients, refined starches, hydrogenated oils, and isolated proteins held together by a cocktail of emulsifiers, flavor enhancers, and synthetic dyes. This is edible malware because once it enters your system, it corrupts the communication between your gut and your brain. The hormones that should tell you to stop eating, leptin and peptide, are drowned out by the artificial intensity of the industrial chemicals. You are left in a state of perpetual hunger, trapped in a cycle of overconsumption, while your body is literally starving for the real nutrients that have been stripped away in the factory. The result of this fraud is a systemic biological collapse. We are the first generation of humans to be simultaneously overfed and malnourished. We are consuming thousands of calories that provide zero cellular intelligence. By the time you realize the deception, your metabolism has already begun to glitch. Your insulin response is shattered, your taste buds are desensitized, and your internal ecosystem is being replaced by a chemical wasteland. This is not a matter of willpower. You cannot win a fight against a laboratory-engineered addiction. You are being programmed by the food industry to consume your way into chronic disease, one high-tech bite at a time. The anthropological betrayal, the intact fiber principle. To understand why ultra-processed food is so lethal, we must acknowledge the intact fiber principle that governed 2 million years of human evolution. For nearly our entire history, every calorie a human consumed came wrapped in a complex cellular structure. Whether it was a piece of fibrous fruit, a tuber, or wild game. Our digestive systems evolved to slowly dismantle these intact cells. This slow process allowed for a gradual release of energy and gave our gut microbiome the opportunity to ferment the fiber, producing vital short-chain fatty acids that protect our brain and heart. We are biologically designed for slow food. Ultra-processed food is a profound anthropological betrayal because it is pre-digested in a factory. Through the high-heat extrusion and chemical processing, the industry breaks down the cellular integrity of the food before it even touches your tongue. When you eat these formulations, they hit your system with a sudden, catastrophic caloric flood. Your body, expecting the slow labor of digestion, is instead overwhelmed by a rapid surge of glucose and refined fats. This is a biological mismatch of the highest order. We are forcing a metabolism designed for the savanna to handle the energy load of a rocket engine. This sudden dumping of nutrients into the small intestine causes your blood sugar to skyrocket, forcing your pancreas to pump out toxic levels of insulin just to keep you alive. Furthermore, this process creates a nutritional void that starves your internal ecosystem. Your gut microbiome, the 38 trillion bacteria that regulate your immunity and mood, lives primarily on the complex fibers that are stripped away during ultra-processing. When you eat industrial sludge, you are feeding your tongue but starving your gut. The bacteria that protect your intestinal wall begin to die off, replaced by opportunistic species that thrive on sugar and chemical additives. You are betraying the microbiome gut-brain axis, the very foundation of your physical and mental health. By abandoning the intact structures of nature for the convenient powders of industry, We have invited a state of internal famine. Our genes are screaming for the complexity of the earth, but we are feeding them a synthetic monotony that is causing our biological sovereignty to wither away from the inside out. Structural collapse and intestinal decay. The structural collapse triggered by ultra-processed food is a biological breach of your body's most critical frontier, the gut barrier. Inside your intestines, a single layer of cells held together by tight junctions acts as the gatekeeper between the outside world and your internal organs. Industrial emulsifiers, found in everything from ice cream to bread, act like biological detergents. They dissolve the protective mucus layer that lines your gut, leaving the delicate cells exposed. This leads to leaky gut syndrome, where the structural integrity of your intestines fails, creating microscopic punctures in your internal defense system. This breach allows undigested food particles, synthetic additives, and bacterial toxins to leak directly into your bloodstream. Your immune system, encountering these foreign invaders where they should never be, goes into a state of permanent systemic war. This is the beginning of chronic, low-grade inflammation, a silent fire that never goes out. As your blood becomes a zone of infection, your body remains in a constant state of high alert, diverting energy away from repair and toward a futile battle against industrial waste. This structural decay of the gut is the invisible foundation of nearly every modern inflammatory disease, turning your own digestive tract into a source of systemic self-destruction, age-specific destruction, and the metabolic trap. Ultra-processed food creates a metabolic trap that ravages the body differently across the stages of life. In children, the destruction is a form of neurological programming. Because their brains are in a state of high neuroplasticity, the Bliss point of hyperpalatable chemicals rewires their reward systems. This trains the developing child to reject the subtle, complex flavors of natural nutrients in favor of high-intensity industrial chemicals. We are essentially programming a generation to be biologically incapable of healthy eating, leading to an epidemic of childhood obesity and early onset metabolic disorders that were once reserved for the elderly. In adults, the trap manifests as a rapid transition from convenience eating to total insulin collapse. By middle age, the cumulative impact of pre-digested calories and industrial toxins leads to profound insulin resistance. Your cells, overwhelmed by constant glucose floods, eventually deafen themselves to the signals of insulin. This is the structural failure of your metabolism, where your body can no longer process the energy it consumes, leading directly to type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular decay. You're not just getting older, you're experiencing the biological fallout of a life lived inside a chemical matrix. Whether you are a child being programmed or an adult being hollowed out, the convenience of the factory is trading away decades of your future health for the sake of a low-cost, high-speed metabolic trap. Molecular horror, the inflammation fire. At the molecular level, ultra-processed food triggers a cytokine storm that leaves your body in a state of permanent internal fire. When the barrier of your gut fails, it releases lipopolysaccharides, LPS toxic cell wall components, from dead bacteria directly into your circulation. Your immune cells, specifically macrophages, detect these endotoxins and react as if you are facing a life-threatening systemic infection. They release a flood of pro-inflammatory cytokines that travel to every organ, including your brain. This molecular horror is the reason why a diet high in industrial sludge is directly linked to clinical depression and anxiety. Your brain is literally on fire. Furthermore, these chemical formulations cause mitochondrial poisoning. Your mitochondria are the evolutionary power plants of your cells, requiring specific micronutrients and polyphenols to produce energy efficiently. Ultra-processed foods are not only devoid of these vital inputs, but they also introduce synthetic additives and oxidized seed oils that paralyze the energy production chain. Instead of clean fuel, you are feeding your mitochondria industrial waste that generates a massive surge in free radicals. This creates a state of chronic oxidative stress, leading to cellular rust and DNA damage. You are not just gaining weight, your very cells are suffocating and aging at an accelerated rate, because they can no longer generate the fire of life without destroying themselves in the process. The Soch and the real food embargo. To break free from the chemical matrix, you must implement a real food embargo. The first and most essential step is the 80% whole food rule. You must commit to consuming at least 80% of your calories from single ingredient foods that have no labels, fruits, vegetables, meats, and nuts in their original cellular forms. This is not a diet, it is a structural restoration of your gut lining. By returning to intact fibers, you provide the necessary raw materials for your gut microbiome to produce butyrate, the molecular glue that repairs the leaky gut and puts out the inflammatory fire. The second step is the industrial sludge boycott. You must become a ruthless examiner of labels. If a product contains ingredients that you cannot pronounce or that would not be found in a traditional kitchen, such as polysorbate 80, carboxymethylcellulose, or high fructose corn syrup, you must treat it as a biological toxin. Finally, focus on microbiome cultivation by introducing fermented foods like kimchi or kefir. These living cultures act as a biological military that helps reclaim your gut from opportunistic, sugar-loving bacteria. Reclaim your biological sovereignty by feeding your body information from the earth, not malware from a laboratory. The cycle of systemic inflammation ends only when you decide to stop being a test subject for the industrial food complex.